Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can participate in the winter bird watching event. Just press go here. If you want to participate in Bailey's one that she hosts, you'll need to wait at 4 you'll need to wait for it to be like 4 p.m. and then she will initiate it. But basically, you'll be teleported here. There is a tree, just press the chat button and start the bird watching event. And as you can see, I am starting the event here. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.